Panerai is going back to its roots. In 1993, the brand stepped out from behind military secrecy and launched its first public watches, the Prix Vendôme Luminor and Mare Nostrum. But there was a third reference that never reached the public. The black-coated Luminor Marina Militare 5218-202/A, built exclusively for the Italian Navy. In 2025, 32 years later, Panerai is finally reviving that legend with the new Luminor Marina Militare PAM05218. Released alongside Panerai's Depths of Time exhibition in Florence, the PAM05218 is a faithful yet modern take on the military original. You're looking at a 44mm Luminor case in stainless steel, but instead of the old PVD coating, it now sports a tougher black DLC sandblasted finish. Its classic Panerai, domed sapphire crystal, the signature crown-protecting bridge, and a serious 300-meter water resistance rating. Even the dial pays tribute to the quirks of the 1993 model. The PAM05218 recreates the famous non-matching look, dark beige superluminova in the recessed numerals and greenish-white lume in the blackened hands, just like the tritium patina of the originals. Fonts, layout, and matte black base are all period correct, but executed with modern precision. Inside sits Panerai's in-house hand-wound caliber P6000, offering a clean two-hand display and a solid 3-day power reserve. The steel caseback is engraved with the historic Officine Panerai Firenze logo, a nod to the brand's naval heritage. The PAM05218 comes on a vintage-style golden-brown calf strap with a black DLC buckle, plus an additional black rubber strap for a more rugged look. Available exclusively on request starting September 2025, pricing is set at about €8,500 in Europe or $8,800 in the US. With the new Luminor Marina Militare PAM05218, Panerai brings a true 1993 icon back to life, now tougher, more refined, but every bit as authentic. What do you think of this revival of a once-secret military watch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next watch review.